The concept of Unpackaged is to encourage our customers to bring their own packaging to refill, which both saves them money and obviously reduces the amount of packaging they create. I came up with the idea for Unpackaged because I used to go to health food shops and I could always refill my Ecova cleaning products, but I could never refill things like dry goods. So I as a consumer wanted to refill, and that idea led to our market stall, which then in turn led to the shop. The idea really is to be a local shop, to sell everything that someone would want from their corner shop, whether it was fresh fruit and vegetables, a pint of milk, down to their cleaning products and toiletries as well. Everything is sourced responsibly, so it's either organic or natural, and we try and do as many refills as possible. We have a really regular customer base, obviously, because they're refilling, so it encourages repeat purchase. I think our best sellers are probably the whole foods, the Ecova products, and then obviously the daily staples, so bread, eggs and milk. When we first opened, we obviously opened in quite a small space to see if the concept was going to work across the whole shop, and now we're really ready to grow. The space we're in at the minute is this beautiful Grade 2 listed dairy, but we're quite restricted on space and what we can do with it because of the listings. So in the next few months we'll be moving to a shop that's about 3 times the size, expanding the retail offer and then adding in a cafe and a bar, which will also be run along the Unpackaged zero waste principles. So we're moving to a larger shop, and obviously we want to upgrade some of the systems that we've got. So when we started looking for bins, it was obviously that the Martek food system bins were the best that we could get. So we've been working with them to design the layout for the new shop, and all our whole foods and our bulk nuts and seeds will all be using their bin system. We're looking forward to having the new bins in the new shop because the system is very easy for customers to use, which will obviously help our sales. For us, it means that we can fit more products into a smaller space, which means we can expand our range. Keeps everything fresh because they're so hygienic, and generally will provide a very good visual feature to explain the refilling, which is obviously what our whole concept is based around. Design has always been really important to us at Unpackaged because we want to attract a mainstream audience and not just your typical green consumer. So that's why we chose this shop, because of its Grade 2 listing, and we're hoping that in the new shop then we can also use the Martek bins to fit part of our new streamlined design.